Today I want to break down for you how you should and how you shouldn't make money from your personal brand. So first I want to dive in how you shouldn't make money from your personal brand. It's so-called brand deals. Let me explain. Brand deals is when you get paid as a person of influence, so-called influencer, YouTuber, TikToker, whatever you want to call it. I call it people with a personal brand. If they get paid by companies to promote a product, a service, and they get a commission of it, or maybe they get paid $5,000 a month if they do 3 Instagram posts for it, any sort of things like that. I wouldn't suggest you do that. Why? It decreases the trust of your audience. It decreases the goodwill of your audience that you've built up with the value you provided, with the things you taught them, with the insights you gave them. All this created the goodwill, the trust, the value in your personal brand, and you will give that to, or you will sacrifice it for another company that will pay you some money right now. Maybe it's even a one-off deal, and you will sacrifice a part of that trust that you've built up just to satisfy them. That's not worth it. You can monetize your personal brand way better. Let me show you how. So first of all, I want you to create a paid online community. A paid online community is a really big growing market right now. It's low in supply, high in demand. People with personal brands are jumping on this opportunity right now because it's so hot. I would suggest do it as well. What are the benefits? First of all, you can do it seamlessly. You don't have to waste too much goodwill or trust from or you don't have to sacrifices from your audience that much to just funnel them to your sales page from your online community, because you represent the same values. You give some more value inside, but it's on the same topic. You are still the same person that they will buy from. They know you. Those things don't drain these traits, this goodwill, this trust you've built. So the benefit as well is that you create monthly recurring revenue. People will pay you every single month to be a member of your community. You can set those prices accordingly. Maybe you want more higher level people in there, so you create a high ticket offer for special people in your community that want help with something, or you can create a lower ticket offer where you get more people in, but it's less personalized. You can do whatever you want to, but I would suggest find the best middle ground to what you want and how you get the most people inside that. And that's a maximization calculation you have to do. It's maybe a task of an hour. Once you did that, you don't have to do it ever again, and it will pay you a lot over time. So make sure you do that today. Once you've created it, you can seamlessly promote it as well. You can integrate it into your content. Just link it below your YouTube videos, below your Instagram post, in your Instagram bio. You can promote it in your stories, in your TikToks, maybe in some short form content, so you don't waste the trust of the long form content. There are so many ways to blend this offer in seamlessly. With a brand deal, those brands pay you to destroy your trust. Don't take those brand deals. Sure, if you already use, maybe integrate into your content some piece of equipment that you've talked about maybe 10 or 20 times before already, and people know that's an interest of you, okay, you can do that, but that's a part of your system. If you have an external business that you want to promote, or if you provide value in a different niche that you don't use products in, don't integrate this. It will harm your brand. Your own business is always the best version to monetize your personal brand. So keep that in mind. So with that being said, a short recap: don't take brand deals. They pay you to sacrifice your goodwill and your trust with your audience that you've built just to get more sales to them. You get only a small percentage of it, so you don't make the big bucks. And if you start an online paid community, you can use your trust you've built and seamlessly blend in an offer to create more value for your customers or your audience, and it will pay you good dividends. Make this investment and start today. Keep building.